Digital marketing success takes a certain type of zest. Save your money on the courses and your time on the apps. I got Builderall for that. I'm just bringing the facts, all the tools you need to flourish, set your business up fast. All in one platform, professional system to keep you in the rhythm. Any angle you could ask for, whether here or there, down to help because we care. Entrepreneurs, designers, and software engineers, plus marketers, assistants, so solutions we can share. Efficient, make your money, be successful everywhere, anywhere. Skyrocketing, time to rack the profits and build or scale your business till you own a dozen offices. This is Builderall, turn you to a rock star. Operate it all from a single dashboard. When you wanna expand and can't chill at all, you workaholics better head over to Builderall. I know you wanna bear witness. $1,000,000 ideas manifested to a business with the quickness. Stop, look, listen. Builderall is the tool to help complete your vision. Yeah, we got everything to help you get up on the move. Create websites, blog sales, funnels too. Customers flock fast, and you gaining contacts. Automate the process, business ready for combat. These sleek visuals, 3D digital, edit neat videos. Builderall really goes, and we know what you need to succeed. Set it up, get your store online so you can breathe. The most complete, easy to use digital platform, here to help you make it rain heavy like a bad storm. Your store was a dream, let us help your pocket sing. The best tool for your digital marketing. Builderall. This is Builderall, turn you to a rock star. Operate it all from a single dashboard. When you wanna expand and can't chill at all, you workaholics better head over to Builderall. I know you wanna bear witness. $1,000,000 ideas manifested to a business with the quickness. Stop, look, listen. Builderall is the tool to help complete your vision. Sales funnels to the clients, moving rapid, watch the feedback. Expedite the process. Builderall, you need that. You want the new, want the fast and efficient. Builderall has all that ready, you can't dismiss it. CDN servers run the sites in a flash. Vast array of templates if you're too polite to ask. Just a quick check-in, be omnipresent. Run the ad, make the sales, now you breaking records. So you wanna turn heads with your online presence. Builderall is the way to go, no second guesses. Save yourself time from trying to do it all solo. Builderall, full of great minds to make you more dough. This is Builderall, turn you to a rock star. Operate it all from a single dashboard. When you wanna expand and can't chill at all, you workaholics better head over to Builderall. I know you wanna bear witness. $1,000,000 ideas manifested to a business with the quickness. Stop, look, listen. Builderall is the tool to help complete your vision.
BuilderallRockstar.com. Open your mind to the impossible. Sometimes you find the truth, and this is what you do.
Builderall is our most complete and affordable digital marketing platform out there, don't you think? Go to the website and see.
BuilderallRockstar.com. 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 BuilderallRockstar.com.